A Volvo, eh? Well, look at you there. It sure is smooth. Automatic transmission, too. Man, it's so quiet inside. It's hard to believe you're even moving. Electric wipers, too. And seatbelts yet. What will they think of next? Handle's pretty good, too. These must be what they call radial tires. 16-inch yet. And it looks like there's FM on the radio and something called compact discs. You're gonna want to look into those. Did you notice something else? You've been driving for almost 10 minutes and you haven't even looked at the temperature gauge. And electric windows. You're still trying to figure those out, but you'll get it. Think of the places you could go. You could even pop into the big city, you daredevil. Hey, you could whistle on down to the IKEA and get some unchewed furniture, or even a lamp. You could head on over to the library, maybe stop and buy a robe, or even some gardening tools. The possibilities are endless. You're getting kind of paunchy too. Maybe it's time you take up a little thing they call golf. I hear it's all the rage with the Volvo set. Did you know that this thing is capable of sustained speeds of over 100 kilometers an hour? You could even drive to another city in this car. I hear that you can even drive it at night. The headlights are so good. It even has brakes on all four wheels. No more pump and pray for you. And did you notice how it started right up? That's a little trick we call electronic fuel injection. We don't really know exactly what's happening, but it's definitely good stuff. See? It's not all bad. Getting yourself a sensible, respectable, safe car. I bet you'll probably use it way more than you thought. Matter of fact, you'll very likely just end up getting rid of all those other old jalopies that you used to drive. Nah.